Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and as you can see I have the new Realme smart TVs. They actually launched two 4K televisions, the 43-inch and the 50-inch variant. Here we have the 43-inch variant. Actually I had this for over a week now, so I'll give you my impressions. The good thing is that now we know the exact pricing. This 43-inch 4K variant is for 28,000, and they also launched a 50-inch variant that is for 40,000. And in fact I feel this TV is actually pretty good for the price. In fact, it also has this Dolby Vision. The audio is actually really good. I'll talk about the audio. It has Dolby audio. So let's have a closer look at the same now. So guys, this is the TV, and as I've told you, this is the 43-inch version. It's a 4K panel that we are having. And just notice the bezels. The bezels are pretty thin on this one. And this is Netflix. It is a smart TV, so Netflix and stuff is there. What I like is, for example, if I go here, for example, Dolby Vision is there on this one. And on Netflix, if you just play a movie or something, if it's, as you can see, Dolby Vision, and it's playing in 4K. Right now it's connected, via Wi-Fi, but we even have the LAN port at the back. Let me just go back to home, and this is the interface that we give. This is the standard Android TV interface. You have your apps over here. You also have Netflix Prime that is pre-installed. These are the apps that are pre-installed. Obviously YouTube is there, but you can also go to the Google Play Store, and here you can actually install whatever apps that you want from here. So it's pretty easy, intuitive, and overall I would say the interface is good. It's not laggy or anything. For example, if I go back to Netflix and it's going to log into my account, it'll take a second. So again, as you can see, it's logged in. And let me actually give you an idea about the audio on this one. The audio is good, but what you should do is, here I'm just going to play this trailer, and as you can see, again Dolby Vision is there. Let me play this trailer to give you an idea about the sound quality. Again, it's from my microphone, but in reality it's much better.
How's it going over there?
You're really ruining my story right now, you know that? We got an issue. His movement, man.
We have 15 minutes.
Hopefully that gives you an idea about the audio and the video. And for audio, guys, by default, this Dolby sound mode is not enabled. So if you're getting this TV, enable it. That really makes a difference. And you can change the sound modes also, as you can see, sports, music, standard. But switch on Dolby and you'll get very good effect. And in picture, also you have different modes. For example, movie, vivid, standard, user. I'm actually using this user, and if I go to more, I reduced a few things. For example, backlighting and brightness and contrast I reduced a little bit because it was actually too bright, the panel, by default settings. Some people like it very bright, so it's a bright panel that we have. And again, regular stuff like YouTube, everything works on this one. One unique thing about this one is that Realme claims that this one has actually 4 microphones. Of course, you can use this remote. This is the supplied remote that you're getting, and you can use it via this. But it has that 4 integrated microphones, and I'll just keep the remote here itself, and I won't touch it, and I'll try to control it via voice. Let's see how it works. Okay, Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Kokapet, it's 28 degrees with haze. Tonight, the forecast is around 27 with thunderstorms. Due to the current humidity,
Okay,
it
Google,
looks like it's 33.
Reduce volume.
Sure.
So as you can see, you can control the television. Even you can switch off the television without the remote. Let's try doing that. Okay, Google, switch off TV.
Alright, turning off Realme Smart TV.
So as you can see, my remote controller is still here, and we can control and do everything. In fact, what I like is that right now the TV is in standby mode, but here also we can use the voice commands. For example, let me just ask, okay Google, switch on TV.
Got it, turning Realme Smart TV on.
And you can use it like a Google Assistant. You can ask anything. For example, let's ask the height of Mount Everest. Okay Google, What's the height of Mount Everest?
Mount Everest is about 8,849 meters high.
So as you can see, guys, this actually works very well. This I didn't expect it to work this well. So you can actually control the TV. So this 4 microphones really work. You can do basic tasks without actually even touching the remote. So I like that functionality. Moving to the ports at the back, again it's a plastic bag, guys. It has 3 HDMI ports, but one port is HDMI ARC, so you can connect a sound bar. Then we have 2 USB ports, 1 LAN port, and also we have audio out, and of course Wi-Fi. I was actually using it with Wi-Fi. So guys, to conclude, I feel this Realme 4K television is actually a really good television. It has that Android TV with that always on listening and stuff. You have the smart remote. The functionality is good. It's very fluid in operations, as we saw that, and also has Netflix, Amazon Prime and stuff like that. So in terms of user interface, it's a very good user interface that we have. The thing is that in many of the budget-oriented televisions, the thing is that the brightness of the TV is not that much. That's not the case on this one. And also I feel the audio quality is really good. When you enable the Dolby audio, it does make a difference. And also I feel the picture quality is good, and I like the fact that it does support that what do you say, Dolby Vision. So overall, for the price point of about 28,000, certainly under 30,000, this is actually a pretty good television. But what do you guys think about the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. I believe this is sold in India via Flipkart, so I'll leave the links in the description so that you can check it out. And guys, if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.